Hi there. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install the AIPRM extension on to ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to, I'm just going to, honestly, we're just going to do ChatGPT. We're just going to search for that. I'm just going to click on here. Now you're going to need to sign up if you haven't signed up already. I happen to have a pro account just because I'm horribly addicted. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. It's going to ask me to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can register. I've actually just signed in with my Google account. And so we're just going to do that. And now I am in. Now for this example, I have removed my AIPRM extension just so I can show you how to download it. And so you're going to go over to your Chrome extensions. I can do it this way. And then you're going to search for AIPRM. And there it is. I'm going to click. You're going to add to Chrome. I'm going to tell it to add the extension. And if you're signed in, immediately it's going to kick in. And this is how you know that you've got it. It's going to give you all of these little generators. So feel free to play along. You should still be able to do this even if you have a free ChatGPT account. I highly, highly recommend the paid version. It's $20 a month. You don't have to keep it. It's a monthly thing. So you can keep it for a month and ditch it later. I honestly spend a ton of time in here, so it is more than worth it for me. That's how you install the AIPRM GPT extension. I'm going to tell you a little bit of what this is. These are some pre-done prompts. So let's pick one here. Let's see. There's keyword strategy. So when you click on the prompt, it just tells you to put your keyword in. So I could put in basement waterproofing. And it's already done. You don't have to know any fancy prompts. You don't have to know anything. I love, love, love this. I have had the paid version and I've had the free version. I discontinued the paid version. I've kept the free version, and this is just outstanding. So that's how you get this onto your machine.